All right, today I'm gonna do the oil change on this 2019 RZR Turbo S. So we're gonna use the AMSOIL PK4 kit specifically for the Turbo S. It comes with 3 quarts of oil, it comes with the filter, and it comes with the funnel, gloves, basically everything you need, similar to the OEM oil change kit. All right, so I got my oil drain right here, and as you can see, it really doesn't line up with the hole. So you got a total of 6 10mm bolts right here, and I'm gonna pull off the skid plate, that way I don't make a mess. All right, this is the drain plug right there, and let's break it loose. So we're gonna grab the oil filter wrench, and we're gonna turn it, because it's kind of hard to stick my hand back there. Pour some of the filter, a little of the O-ring. We're gonna replace the crush washer. This bolt right here gets torqued down to 12 foot-pounds. Next, we're gonna take off this cover right here. Take off the cap to fill up your oil. All right, this is the AMSOIL funnel for your oil. So we're gonna go ahead and tear this off. Just put it in there. That looks pretty good right there. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna leave the skid plate off, idle it, make sure there's no leaks. All right, there's no leaks. We're pretty much good.